We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase as well as how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced names from Harry Potter. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Well, the first word is said as puking, puking. That you probably already knew. Now, the second word is to be said or can be said two different ways. Now, in British English, this is normally said as pastels, pastels. I guess if you consider that Harry Potter or the author of Harry Potter is British, I guess you may want to say it that way. But in American English, this is normally said as pastilles, pastilles. So, if you want to say it in British English, arguably the original way, you can say it as puking pastilles, puking pastilles. But if you are American or you are in the US, you may want to say it as puking pastilles, puking pastilles in American English versus puking pastilles in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and so often mispronounced names from Harry Potter, whose pronunciations aren't, indeed, very obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.